Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne and today's video is going to be a curly hair routine times wash day. So please keep watching for that. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and leave it a like if you like the video. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and check out my website, goddesstingsboutique.com. I sell lashes, jewelry, lip gloss, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in the video. I love this stuff. It's so good. What I really like about this brand is it's really affordable. Like I don't know if they just changed the price, but when I first bought the Aunt Jackie's leave-in cream, it was like $9.99, which is still not bad. And then the second time I got it, it was like $4.99. So I'm not sure if it was on sale or they dropped the price. Either way, it's really affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and also my makeup off camera. And I'm gonna be using the Cantu Edge Control Gel. So I'll see you guys when my hair is dry. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the shampoo and the conditioner that I use. Okay, so this is the shampoo that I use. It's by Oars Original Root Stimulator. It's olive oil, moisture restore, creamy aloe shampoo infused with aloe vera for rejuvenating moisture. It removes product buildup, so all that good stuff. This is probably one of my favorite shampoos ever, to be honest with you. And then the conditioner is the same exact brand, the Oars. Actually, you know what? I think it's ORS. I don't know why I'm saying Oars. ORS. Oh, okay, so it stands for Original Root Stimulator. So this one is olive oil, strengthen and nourish, replenishing conditioner, infused with sweet orange oil for revitalizing moisture, helps restore dry, damaged hair. It's formulated without sulfates, no mineral oil or parabens. So I got these in the little packs. They have actual bottles if that's what y'all prefer, but the packs are honestly, I like them for the conditioner. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you all liked it. Please go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. All those links will be down below. Check out my website, goddesstingsboutique.com. I sell lashes, lip gloss, and jewelry. And I will see you guys in my next video. You guys can look for a video right here to go ahead and binge watch my channel if you guys feel so inclined. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.